In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on your Mac, a comprehensive tutorial dedicated to making your 2025 digital experience safer and more secure. With the need for online privacy growing each day, knowing how to effectively use a VPN is crucial. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps needed to get Nordvpn up and running on your Mac. Whether you're seeking a safer way to browse the internet, or aiming to access content from different regions, Nordvpn is a tool you'll definitely want in your digital toolbox. First, we'll start by heading over to the Nordvpn website, where you'll find the free VPN download section. This is your gateway to accessing one of the fastest VPN applications available today. A quick tip here: make sure you're visiting the official Nordvpn site to prevent any potential security risks. Once you're on their download page, the next step is to hit the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the website. Logging in is essential to access your Nordvpn account, so go ahead and enter your credentials. Should you not have an account yet, you will need to set one up, which is a fairly simple process. Once logged in, navigate to the Download Nordvpn section. This area is easily accessible from your account dashboard. Here, you're looking for the VPN solution tailored for desktops. By focusing on the desktop version, you'll make sure that the software is optimized for your Mac, providing the best performance in terms of speed and security. Now that you've found the download section, click on macOS. Nordvpn is designed to work seamlessly with macOS, ensuring that your browsing experience remains smooth and uninterrupted while your activity is secured. Make sure your macOS version meets the requirements Nordvpn specifies on its download page to prevent any installation hitches. Once you click on the macOS option, your download should begin. While it's downloading, just a quick pointer. It's always a good idea to double-check your internet connection to avoid interrupted downloads, further ensuring that your download is complete and error-free. After the installation file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder, usually named something like nordvpn.apkg. Open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Nordvpn. This process generally involves a few straightforward prompts: accepting the terms and conditions, choosing an install directory, and possibly entering your Mac's admin credentials to authorize the installation. And there you have it. With Nordvpn now installed, open up the app, and you'll be minutes away from browsing with enhanced privacy and the freedom to explore global content. Remember, whenever you're online, activating Nordvpn is an essential step in safeguarding your personal data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most of Nordvpn on your Mac. Happy browsing!